Depends. I just want to film this video saying, go follow my TikTok account. It is emoji love. Emoji love. With a lowercase e. Make sure to go follow that. Oh my gosh, my hand's delay. But yeah, make sure to go follow that. Cause yeah. Oh, please follow that account. Please, 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 please. But anyways, let's get to the video. Oh yeah, today's video is just about fidgets again.
But Myers not too worried.
Boom! We're here. I don't like them. Okay, we're here, guys. So, we're going to be doing our fidget tour. And also, we're getting like fidgets for Christmas. I hope so. Right, Mom?
What?
I want a fidget for Christmas. The one I showed you. The puppet. The puppet and the marble and mash thing. So I'm getting a puppet, and I forgot the other one's name. But today is actually going to be telling fidgets I want for Christmas. There's a couple of them actually, but I don't know if my mom will be able to get all of them. But the first one that I really dearly want is a puppet, and then a tangle, and then there's a marble and mash thing, I forgot. And
you want
then
that or no?
there's a dimple, and then there's what is it? So far those are what I want personally, but my mom's watching the show, so.
Follow the family's direction toward where
Yeah, basically that's what I want. And what about you guys?
You're talking
Comment.
about going down